Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm a blockchain cum crypto developer, and today in this video we'll be talking about the news surrounding the crypto bill that was put out by the government of India recently. On 23rd November 2021, a list of bills that will be talked about in the parliamentary sessions was released. However, the major bill that was making the headlines was the bill about the possible ban on private cryptocurrencies and launching of the digital rupee by RBI itself. But before I break it all down, let me just tell you a thing or two about other countries and their stance on cryptos. United Kingdom recognizes cryptocurrency as a property and has introduced KYC for it as well. Canada is the first country to approve an entire Bitcoin exchange traded fund. Yes, a Bitcoin ETF. El Salvador, on the other hand, has gone a step further and made Bitcoin a legal tender, meaning you can even use it to pay taxes there. All these countries have put regulations in place around crypto. This is nothing new, and India is just following the footsteps of these countries and trying to form definite regulations around it. This is in fact good for the people who are invested in crypto space, because now they will be able to protect themselves from all the scam projects out there. Fearing that something bad is going to happen in the future is just not right. Also, if you would have read the news, you would notice that it clearly states that the government has proposed to ban just private cryptocurrencies only. And even that is something that is included in a bill that will be talked about. So let's first understand what private cryptocurrencies really are. The bill has not exactly defined what it means when it says private cryptos, but the general use case of it is to define a crypto which does not have its transactions open to the public. Ethereum, Binance, and almost all the cryptocurrencies that you see in the market currently have their blockchain transactions completely open and accessible to everyone. Only a few cryptos like Monero have their transactions private, meaning if you transfer cryptocurrencies from one wallet to another, then no one is able to see it. Even if they ban these cryptocurrencies and go ahead with the bill, it will hardly affect the crypto market at all. Another thing that is proposed in the bill is that RBI wants to come up with its own digital rupee. If the government was really against the idea of cryptocurrencies, then why would they propose to create their own one? Even if you see the government stance on crypto, you would notice that it just wants to operate in the benefit of the general public, and they can do that by regulating cryptocurrencies, not by banning them completely. The Prime Minister of India has also stated that they just want cryptos to not fall into the wrong hands. All these things will just in turn help the people who are in the crypto space. Regulating crypto will help you in finding better projects and not fall for the scam ones. This will also create more opportunities for blockchain developers like me to work in this field. Remember, this is just a bill and not a law. There's a whole process that needs to go on before it formally becomes a law. So giving so much attention to it is unjustified. You shouldn't be selling your cryptos just because the government is willing to talk about it and hasn't even taken a stance against crypto. The government will always work for the people, and they will definitely come with something positive around it. Another point that I'd like to keep forward is that this time it's really different. This time big players are deep in this, like institutional investors, hedge funds, and so on. And I'm not talking about so many retail investors like you who are into the crypto market already. Banning crypto right now would be practically impossible and would be really difficult to do so. But for all of you who are watching this video, this is actually a great time to get into the crypto market if you haven't already bought in, because of the discounted prices of which you are getting cryptocurrencies at. People are literally selling their cryptos out of fear, which has created a buying opportunity for many like me who are making immense amounts of profit just by getting these cryptocurrencies at a very low price and then selling it later. This is one of those times where even the prices of stable coins like USDT, USDC have fallen down. Let me explain to you how big of an opportunity this is. Stable coins like USDT and USDC are backed by US dollars itself. So this means each of its tokens must be worth $1 itself, and its prices shouldn't go above or below this price. But right now, because the prices of even stable coins have fallen down, this means you're essentially buying $1 lower than its actual price of around 75 rupees. So be fearful when people are greedy, and greedy when people are fearful. Another thing that I'd like to point out here is that crypto inherently cannot be stopped. Cryptocurrencies work on blockchain technology, which is made in such a way that no one has control over it and no one can stop it. Just like no one controls the internet, similarly, no one controls the crypto market as well. The governments can block servers and hence block websites with it. But with blockchain, there is no one server where it is hosted. So the government can't actually block it even if they wanted to. Cryptocurrencies are owned by everyone who's a part of its network and no single person can actually stop it. So that was it for this video, and if you like this video then do press the like button, do share this video with your friends and comment what you think, will cryptos be banned in India or not.